Alright, so here we go, another video. Like I said, I met up with my boy Fastliferuss. He about to give us a rundown on his car. Let us know what he got done to it, what he got coming on the way. Camaro 2SS. You just got this how long ago?
2 months.
2 months?
2 months.
2
One month
months
was on hold. If you haven't seen that video,
go peep it.
Go peep it. Third day.
Definitely missed out on a whole bunch of shit because hey, they was holding his car. But hey, he didn't sleep though. Hey, he got his car taken. He went and rented some shit, doing burnouts. I said my man's working. One thing I have to say about him, bruh, he drop content constantly. He ain't just upload once a week, every other week.
From your channel. No
hey, much love, my boy.
Cap though, bro. Like,
for sure. But all right, so go ahead and give him a rundown.
From the car, as you guys know, well, you guys don't know, but I am sponsored with MMR wheels. We just got those put on. I want to say probably like a week ago. Yeah,
it was like Tuesday or Monday, because you got your car back on Monday on the 1st, right?
I believe so. Tapped in. Come on, man. If he tapped in, y'all tapped in.
You see, you gotta know dates. You gotta know what's going on with your people. Definitely. I watch every video he upload, and he watch all mine. So we know what's going on. But like he said, he just got these wheels installed. What's the size of these? 285s in the front, so you know that's hella grip. Then we got the 305s in the rear. We got those Nittos. But as you guys know, this is the 19. The new refresh. The front end isn't for everybody, but I like it. At first I wasn't, because they definitely redid it, because I know it used to look different, way different. But you got like the fucking shark nose. One thing I do like is this. I didn't like the front end at first, but the shit just started gravitating towards me, and I just started fucking with it even more. But that's pretty much it. I don't got a lot of stuff done to his car. My shit came factory tinted, but I got the little decals right here. That's pretty much. Oh, we forgot to talk about your side. Oh, I definitely. We forgot to talk about the side marker too. I don't know why I'm showing this in my video, but hey, if you watching both, send me that clip. Hey, go ahead. But side marker. You tinted those out? I tinted those out. $30. Oh shit. Okay. Oh, you got the front ones done too. Front, back. That's the front. Try to give it that black and red thing. That's most of my color scheme. I definitely need a. These basically look like they came tinted out too. Yeah, that's how the factory. Yeah, you see that one. Yep. You got the quad tips on the back. Yep. And you do got mid-muffler delete as well. Yep. So we're gonna go ahead and rev it and let y'all hear that as well. But like I said, 2019 2SS. He just got the wheels put on. He's sponsored by MMR Wheels. I definitely put the information in there. But you see, you got the bloody red. Let them know. But giving over to the car, 2SS. This is not the standard 1SS with your cloth seats. Damn, I got the Camaro right there. Yep. And also heated ventilated seats. Like me. Yep, exactly. We got the premium fucking auto. That's a Bose sound system? Yep. I think it sounds good. People say the Harman Kardon is good as fuck too. I heard about that, but I never heard it, so I can't really speak on it. Yeah, I did. That stock, it sounds good though. Like that Alpine 9, I got the Alpine 9 speaker shit. I'm definitely upgrading that, because I know, because I used to have kicker, everything, so I know real sound quality. So I'm definitely upgrading that. But this one is what, the Bose sound system? Yep. Yeah. It sounds good. This shit slap. Coming over from the cockpit, 200 on the dash, nothing too crazy. Hey, let me tell you something right there. That's one thing I really kind of hate about my Challenger, bruh. I wish I had 200 on dash, bro.
That shit, it just looks appealing.
But I didn't even know he had 200 on dash. So I seen one in his video. I said, fuck, these come with 200 on dash.
That shit is crazy.
And how much horsepower this got? 455, right?
455.
And that come with 485.
Yep.
455.
This is just lighter.
Yeah.
That's what people don't get. It's either that looks like a muscle car. This is more of a sporty car. I drove it from Arizona when I bought the car in Arizona.
Yeah.
If you guys haven't seen that video.
Yeah, go peep that video
but
for sure.
This is more like a sporty car. You getting the motherfucker feels like a race car. This is more like that muscle car that whoa. This is more that
big boy, big body, yeah.
Like,
this is
muscle,
lighter.
But it's sporty.
This is lighter. That's heavier. That comes with a little more powder.
Gives you that more torque.
Yeah.
If you hit the gas and that, I had a scat pack. I had a scat pack. I'm not going to have no flaws in it. If you hit that gas, you're gonna feel it. You hit this, you're not gonna feel it. And
you saying that in one of your videos too, bro. I remember that.
That low end torque is trash. Like, you're not gonna feel it.
But yeah, you see the interiors. These really don't got no back seat room. So definitely, if you looking for something with some back seat room,
don't get a
two-door. That's the way to go. Mustangs, Camaros, no back seat.
Yep.
Definitely like the whole infotainment center in here. I think it's way better than the Challenger, obviously, because Dodge so basic with they shit, but that's also still clean right there. Oh yeah, if you don't know, you know about like Bentleys and all that shit. They got the ambient lights. Camaro got that as well. You change the color of these too, right? I don't know if it's gonna show up.
Let me. I don't know. That's why I was gonna change the color, but
yeah,
you get the.
Do it turn to red, right?
Red. That's what I be having.
Yeah, I seen that. I seen that.
Blue. But one thing I want to show too is my mirror. Show them the mirror real quick.
Go ahead, grab that.
Regular mirror. Let me start this up. Full camera. Come on now. My camera's my mirror. Come on now. That's what comes doing it to it. That's crazy.
Where the camera actually on the
camera's right here. Yep. No, right here.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the camera right there.
What's this right here? That's the
backup camera.
Oh, the backup camera.
Two cameras.
Oh, okay. I see. We'll see.
That's just crazy. That's one thing, because that window right there, you're not getting nothing out of it.
Yeah, you definitely not. The way it's built. But you heard him just start it up. Like I said, he got mid muffler delete. But that's pretty much it. Muffler delete. Yep. Muffler delete, yeah. Yep. He got a video on that to show you the difference how it sound before and after, so you go peek that. And as far as, that's all he got pretty much done. He got way more shit on the way. If you got a Camaro or just like watching car shit, definitely sub to his channel. He putting everything on there.
I got some scat pack videos.
Yeah, he got the scat, because he used to have a scat pack. Scat pack charger.
Check out him.
Yeah, for sure. But that's pretty much it. It do. It's because all this shit is open. All that's the whole vent shit right there. Yep. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, he ain't got too much done to it. He just got the car. Everything he gonna do to the car, he gonna make a video on. So definitely sub to his channel. Fastliferuss. Peep him out. All that shit. It's gonna be all down below. So go ahead, peep him out. That's pretty much it.
Look, was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Look, reached every goal I actually said, I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Look, and now I'm out here getting rich.